Assalamu alaikum, this is Amadur Rahman, and here in this lecture we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 6, introducing the spreadsheets. For that, right now pause the video here and read out page number 44 and 45 of your textbook. Now let's start. The objectives of this chapter are to introduce the spreadsheets and to discuss the different kind of elements of a spreadsheet program. First of all, you should know that a spreadsheet program is a kind of application software. Now, what is application software? Just recall the previous chapter. An application software or application program for short is a computer software that is designed to perform the group of coordinated functions, tasks or activities for the benefit of the computer user. Examples are creating a document or creating a spreadsheet, or to do an online research or sending email to etc. An electronic spreadsheet can also be made by an application software called spreadsheet program. What is spreadsheet program? A spreadsheet program is used to organizing data in tabular form. We can create different kind of worksheets in it. And Microsoft Excel is the mostly used spreadsheet program. Now let's talk about some basic elements of the Microsoft Excel window. This area where we enter data is called a worksheet. Rows are horizontal division of your worksheet and columns are the vertical division of MS Excel worksheet. Now in this part we will identify the different parts of the Excel window. We are going to start with the top of the screen. This bar is called the title bar. It is the top of every application because it has the name of file on it. Now if I save my file as name window, then watch the title bar as I saved it, and we can see that the name of file at the top just changed. And on the left side of title bar we have a quick access toolbar. There is a save option, undo, redo, fill icon, font color icon, and we can customize it as per needs. On the right side we have Windows control buttons. There is the minimize button, the restore button, the close button. Okay, so the second part of the Excel window that you need to be aware of is the ribbon and tabs in it. We have the home tab. We can select the different tabs also, and this is called command section. We have a lot of commanding tools that we can use in our worksheet. All the tabs are divided into different groups and group of options. At the bottom you can see here there is their names written also, and a clipboard, like a clipboard, font, alignments, and so on. So today we discussed what is an application software, what is a spreadsheet program, and we also discussed the different parts of the Microsoft Excel's window. If you still haven't got it clearly, so just read out page number 44 and 45 of your textbook and just watch this lecture twice or thrice, and then complete the exercises, the blanks given on page number 44 and 45 in the textbook, and complete these questions in your notebook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.